Hello guys, welcome to ProRider Vlogs. So finally I have put the mobile holder clamp in the front of my bike. So this is specially designed and made, and it is going to be available soon through Motoden. So this video is a promotional video of this clamp, and you can take pre-orders from this. After watching this video, I have given the details in the description, so you can follow it in the description and get the details to do the pre-order. And you have two bolts of positions here where you can fix the mounting of the holder. So I will show it in couple of while. So right now I am just showing how I have fixed it. So you will be seeing two bolt option already here. So I have just reused it. So the clamp will have option of some little bit of length here, so you can move it as per your requirement. So I have fixed it absolutely at the center position, and this is quite sturdy, as you can see. And also in between I have put a rubber mount, so that in case if you get any vibration, so this will avoid it. So I just recommend, if you want, you can fix the rubber mounts, or you can directly fit it. It will go with the bike. So this is completely custom made for the Dominar, and based on the pre-orders we are going to do it, and it will be available in pan India, and we are going to even distribute it through courier. So whichever courier option is possible, we are going to courier it, and some courier charges will also be applicable. So currently the prices is not revealed. This is a sample piece which I have just put it. So once the orders have been taken, so first 30 orders will have some special provision of some discount. So we'll be revealing it soon, and keep following my Instagram account at ProRider Anurag, where you will get all the information about this product. So this clamp is a complete laser cut design clamp. So, and the painting has been done with powder coated, so it's a direct fit, and you don't have to make any modification after fixing it. So soon I will put up the mobile holder here and I'll show you. And I'm putting the JB Racing or the Luvia style windshield here, so it will not impact the windshield as well. And also we have checked with the carbon racing windshield as well, so you can go ahead and put this, and this will not impact the windshield as well, so you can check. Thank you. So I have put the clamp of the mobile holder. So this is basically the very common holder nowadays we get, and that is the X like RAM mount. So copy of RAM mount, I can say. So this is very direct fit, very much useful and direct fit for the one which is the RAM mount option one. So it will give a complete ADV look. Now I will fix the visor and I will show it after putting the mobile, and I'll make the final video and end the video. So I have just put one screw and washer, and I have tightened it properly. So you can see this is quite stiff, it's not moving also, so it's quite stiff. So this is proper. So finally guys, I have put the mobile holder on that mount, so it is completely fixed properly. So I have checked, I have ridden the bike and I have checked it, but I'll make one more video, one proper video and that too with the action camera, so that while riding I can show you how sturdy it is. And this is a perfect view where while riding you will see the bike maps on front of you. So it's a convenient place where I think this map you can see in the mobile. For the height adjustment, we'll be giving one more hole in the production one. So this is just the sample one, so we are just going through the testing phase right now. So right now I have planned to give one more hole, so that this height will come down and it will come under the visor. But for the carbon racing users, carbon racing visor people, they do not face that issue as the riser height is a little bit high. So this will directly go and fit there, and they can also utilize this mount easily. So we have tested it properly in the carbon racing version as well, but right now I don't have the bike and with the carbon racing windshield. So this I am showing it with my bike, and you can place the order, and I'll give the delivery options as well. So we'll be delivering it throughout the India, and delivery charges will be also there. So right now pre-orders will be taken up. A direct fit for Dominar 400 as well as Dominar 250. We have tested that as well. So both bikes, it will be a direct fit. So I think this will be a great option for those who are looking something in ADV style.